Hello friends, today I want to speak about the story of Vikram and his work at Mil Jayega. So I basically met Vikram around 4 months back when he was looking for our innovation partner for this product. But what really inspired me to share this story with you is the way an idea comes to life. It's a beautiful journey and it's a challenging journey. First you need to persevere, you need to first believe in the idea that really you want to make it happen. Then you need to persevere through all these steps, and then a lot of challenges come up, and then you still persist, and then you actually reach this stage when you can hold the product in your hand. Then the customers again will not be sympathetic to you, they will bash you, but then you still need to listen to them and really evolve the product so that everybody loves it. This is such a similar story. The idea behind Mil Jayega, the Vikram's baby, is basically to make sure that the valuables are always safe and people can reach you if your valuables are away from you. In this particular case, it is a smart vehicle sticker. This is the first product in their series where this smart vehicle sticker with a unique QR code is pasted on your two-wheeler, or in case so there is a sticker for four-wheeler as well. There's a nifty booklet with details and this sticker which can be pasted on the windshield of the four-wheeler. Anybody can scan this QR code with their smartphone and no application installation is necessary, and they can simply reach you, and of course your number is secure. There are a lot of interesting scenarios which this product solves. So if, for example, you park your vehicle outside in the marketplace and it is coming in the way of somebody else's vehicle, and then if the sticker is there in place, they can simply reach out to you immediately, they can be on the scene immediately and handle the same. Likewise, in community living, the Residents Welfare Association can decide to get the sticker for all the vehicles of the residents, and then the security guards can quickly reach out to you. It makes a lot of great use cases. Likewise, the vehicle dealerships, they can as well put their artwork on such a useful sticker so that the customer will also love to keep that artwork because it's a big gain for everybody. And of course, there's a very nifty use case of the traffic police. In case you parked your vehicle wrongly, then the police can still decide to issue you a ticket, but then they can always just call you quickly because more or less you are around near the vehicle, so they can simply call you instead of towing your vehicle away to some garage or something where nobody knows how the vehicle is handled. So this is like the beautiful thing that I wanted to share with you, and in case you want to experience this product, please feel free to reach out to Vikram. This is his email ID and the phone number, or you can reach out to me and I will be happy to connect you to him. Vikram is also looking for partners who can help him sell the product at a larger scale, so please most welcome to connect. Thank you. Goodbye.